Step-by-step guide to GFC PRP treatment at Vplant Advanced Hair Clinic. Consultation. Begin with a comprehensive consultation with our expert hair specialists. We assess your hair health, discuss your concerns, and tailor a treatment plan to meet your needs. Preparation. Prior to the procedure, your scalp is cleansed thoroughly to ensure optimal conditions for treatment. Blood draw. A small sample of your blood is drawn, usually from your arm, which is then processed to extract platelet-rich plasma (PRP). GFC PRP preparation. The blood sample is collected in GFC, Growth Factor Concentrate PRP tube, and centrifuged to separate the platelets from other blood components, creating a concentrated GFC, Growth Factor Concentrate PRP solution. Application. Using precise techniques, the PRP is carefully injected into the targeted areas of the scalp where hair growth is desired. Our skilled practitioners ensure even distribution for maximum effectiveness. Stimulation. The growth factors present in PRP stimulate hair follicles, promote hair growth, thickness, and strength. Post-treatment care. Following the procedure, you receive personalized post-treatment care instructions to optimize results and minimize discomfort. Benefits of GFC PRP treatment at Vplant Advanced Hair Clinic. Natural approach. GFC PRP harnesses your body's natural healing mechanisms to promote hair growth, making it a safe and natural treatment option. Effective hair growth. The growth factors in PRP stimulate dormant hair follicles, leading to significant hair regrowth over time. Minimal downtime. GFC PRP is a minimally invasive procedure with little to no downtime, allowing you to resume your daily activities shortly after treatment. Customized treatment. Our experienced practitioners customize each treatment plan to address your unique hair restoration goals and concerns. Long-lasting results. With regular sessions as recommended by our specialists, GFC PRP can yield long-lasting improvements in hair density, thickness, and overall quality. Experience the transformative benefits of GFC PRP treatment at Vplant Advanced Hair Clinic and reclaim a fuller, healthier head of hair with confidence. Schedule your consultation today and take the first step towards a revitalized appearance.